Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this lavalier microphone for life-changing recordings from PowerDeWise. Words can change lives. Correct, with that microphone. You can use the microphone to your laptop, PC, tablet, smartphone with most cameras in the market. Let's open the box and find out more about this product, and of course I will check the sound quality. That is the most important when you buy a microphone, to have the best sound quality. I like the case. PowerDeWise, easy vlogging. Words can change lives. Record them perfectly. I like the message. Nice bag. Flexible. Cleaning cloth. PowerDeWise easy vlogging, correct. Quick start guide tips. Scan the QR code, get free tripod to stabilize videos. I like that. On PowerDeWise.com dual mic. At the box we have two extra wind muffs. 4 to 3 pin adapter. To work with PC, laptop, DSLR, the microphone needs 4 to 3 pin adapter. There it is. Extension cord. I like that. PowerDeWise. Any issue, we answer ASAP. The email and WhatsApp. Great support. And the length, it is about 2 meters. Great length. And the lavalier microphone, and it is the same, about 2 meters. So if you want more than 2 meters, you can connect the extension cord and you will have total about 4.5 meters. So long. Good quality, I like the cable. The thickness, same and for the extension. The clip, rotatable 360, you can remove the clip. I like it. Let's remove and the wind muffs. See how it looks, the microphone. I like the connections, gold plated, PowerDeWise logo here. Nice, I like it. It feels a premium product. The adapter. So you can connect it on any old phone directly. But in my case I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. I need an adapter. You can choose the lavalier microphone that includes the adapter and then connect the microphone. And of course I can connect then my camera. Here it is, my camera. Connect the adapter at the camera. 4 to 3 pin adapter for PC, laptop, camera, voice recorder. And then the lavalier microphone connection at the adapter. So easy. So let's move on and start the test, the sound test. That is the most important, the sound quality. Now I'm starting the recording from my camera without the lavalier microphone, just to have a comparison which sound is the best. High sensitive capsule with ultrasound quality, wind and noise reduction. Works with iOS, Android, DSLR, audio recorder, PC, no battery needed. Are you looking for a dependable lavalier microphone? To record your voice for a vlog or podcast? Is your current built-in microphone producing terrible sound quality that just doesn't fit today's standards? For YouTube videos or broadcasting episodes, PowerDeWise has your solution. professional grade lavalier lapel chip-on microphone. 100% wired, always ready to use. Stable communication without radio interference in any place. Clear voice without noise, produce it according to well-established technology. The microphone has high quality protection from extraneous noise. No drivers needed, just plug and record. 3-in-1 pack microphone, extra wind muffs, deluxe storage case, designed by PowerDeWise Lavalier mic gets sound recording quality to the next level. High sensitivity capsule with ultrasound quality, wind and noise reduction. Works with iOS, Android, DSLR, audio recorder, PC, no battery needed. Are you looking for a dependable lavalier microphone to record your voice for a vlog or podcast? Clear sound without interruption at the background. My voice is so clear, even in a low frequency. As a YouTube content creator, I recommended this microphone to create your own videos on any social media. Without a doubt, you will have a great sound. It is a good quality microphone with huge cable length. That helps a lot. If you want to find out more about this product and other microphones from PowerDeWise, like the video microphone kit, you can check down below at the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information and where you can buy it. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.